Okay, Monday, what is it, November 16th, 2020. Bob Dietrich here. This is a double 12-pound barrel rock tumbler that I just built. It's been in service a couple, 3 weeks, running well. I was going to buy one from Loratone, but they were quoting like 16 to 20 weeks, and I didn't want to wait that long. So I bought the 2 barrels from them. There's two 12-pound barrels here. I also have an old 3-4-year-old 12-pound single barrel machine I bought from them. Works good. So I bought the two barrels from them, both 12 pounds apiece, same barrel as I have on that older machine, and built this double-barreled rock tumbler. It's basically a motor with a double reduction on it to slow down the speed, and 2 3/4 diameter shafts, and one is driven and one is an idler. It idles, just adds support for the barrel, keeps it rotating. So the basic machine, I'm actually using an old General Electric motor. It's a 1930s motor. You can see the end caps, the bearing caps are cast, really solid. They actually use grease rather than oil. It's a 3/4 horse, and I got it off an old Boyer Schultz grinder, power grinder. It was used for tool and die making. And I used there's an old cast 2-step pulley on there. I took off one of the ribs on the side. Here you can see there were 2 on each side. It had a flat belt that was running on this curved surface in here between the 2 standing ribs. One, of course, is gone, and then it has a 2-inch V pulley on it, and it powered the power grinder. It powered the grinding bit itself, plus it oscillated the bit up and down. That's why there was 2 steps to it on this pulley. It's a cast pulley. You can see it has a fan built in. It's an integral part of the pulley. A machined aluminum pulley, really nicely made. Anyway, the old motor is not reversing, but it doesn't matter for rock tumbling. It's got a little capacitor start here, a little wafer. Can't hold much of a charge, but it doesn't need much. You can see the old cast ends to it. The cooling holes. Really nice little motor. So, the only problem was it was 3450 RPM, so I had to reduce it down with a double reduction. The 2-inch to 6-inch pulley. On this side, there's a 2-inch to a 10-inch pulley, which is driving a 1-inch diameter shaft, which in turn drives a 7 3/4 diameter barrel, and that reduces it from 3450 down to 30 RPMs a minute, from 3,450 RPMs per minute to 30 RPMs per minute. And that's what I need for rock tumbling. That's what the old Loratone was. So the pulleys I got from Fleet Farm, the pillow blocks I got from McMaster Carr down in Chicago. I ordered them one day and they were on my doorstep the next day. Unbelievable. the 3/4 shafts. I got a 48-inch 3/4 cold roll shaft from Fleet Farm. Sawed it in half, so there's two 24-inch shafts there, and they had some 3/4-inch acrylic tubing, which I put on. Went on pretty hard, but I got it on. And that drives the barrels in turn. So when it's operating, I'll put these barrels on. One barrel. Ooh, two barrels. You got these handy dandy bearings on each end to act as bumpers so that the barrel doesn't fall off the... Where can I plug this in so you can see it run? The bumpers are there so the barrels don't start hitting on each other or come off the end. So, there we go. Oh boy, now I can't get out. Shoot. And let's see, we'll turn that off, and we'll turn that on. And now you can see it's running. The electric motor is driving that shaft here, which drives this pulley down here, running this shaft. This pulley through a belt drives this 10-inch diameter pulley, which in turn drives this shaft, and the other one is driven by the barrel rotating, so it's just an idler, just to hold up the barrel and keep it going. So that's it. You know, I guess I got about $300 in the thing. The barrels were the main expense. I think they were like $175 or so for both of them. But really nice little rock tumbler here, so I can process 24 pounds at a time, two 12-pound barrels. Pretty nice. Fun stuff. Okay. Bye.